Hey y'all, so this is basically just my hair routine for every month. I've been trying to start like a super healthy hair growth regimen. So in order for me to get my hair super healthy, I decided I was going to do a hot oil treatment and a protein treatment once a month. So yeah, so when I try to do my hot oil treatments, I make sure that I boil water first and then I pour it into a heat safe container or cup. Then I place my hot oil in it and just let it heat up, let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. And the oil gets hot and it just works really good that way. Now I don't like to put it in the microwave like some people do because I'm not sure if this is fact or fiction, but it sounds like fact. I heard that if you put your oils in the microwave, it sucks out the nutrients somehow, making the oil less like useful than what it would be if you didn't put it in the microwave. So just to be on the safe side, I decided to just use a heat safe container with some hot water that I boiled prior before that. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching my hot oil treatment, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But please stay tuned because in my very next video I will be posting my demo and full review of Dollar Curl Club's repairing hair mask. And in that video I will also be reviewing this nourishing herbal hair oil, and I'm going to be using their growth oil. So just stay tuned because this is a video you do not want to miss.